Beautiful home on 2-acre lot, with tons of ownership pride. Home has 3 steel buildings for storage of tractors and tools. Huge primary bedroom with large bath, additional 3 bedrooms are oversized with very nice bath for guests. Home has a stunning open floor plan with upgraded countertops, cabinets and flooring. Stainless steel appliances and soft close cabinets. Lot has a Conex box with electric, seller willing to sell, Sawmill and Kiln for woodworking available for sale. Bush hog and fork are available for an additional appropriate price. Electric fenced in area for chickens or livestock too. Come check it out.